Welcome back to the channel. I did some changes onto the trailer. I've had one trip so far. The first change is I decided to make some sort of fenders for it. These are leftover pieces of aluminum tread plate that I had. I'm gonna stitch them together and then cut them to a nice shape. And the second change that I did is I basically added a second winch for the door. Well, basically a second winch because not that the first winch wasn't working, but basically because I was basically worried that if I run into trouble or one of the winch quits, it's going to be a little bit of a problem for me. And for safety as well, just added a second winch. I did that today. And other than that, built a nice aluminum bracket here for my paper towel. And the other major change is I have my generator in here now. So the generator works really good. What I did is I basically cut an opening and then I put a fan, and the fan basically pivots in and out and it connects to the generator. So I can, when I turn on the generator, it just starts pumping air out. So it sucks air from underneath and pumps it back out. I also built some handles here so when I can come in, I'm trying to go up to the camper, I can just hold on and go up straight to the toolbox into the camper. So this is the vent, and I really like this one. It's plastic. You can open it up like that and then pull it out, and then it provides quite a bit of ventilation, so the fan pumps the air out pretty nicely. And then I built an exhaust. So this exhaust, it fits, the generator exhaust fits right inside the pipe. So all I have to do is just push it in. And it's a fairly tight fit, so I don't think it leaks inside. But in any case, it's not like I'm gonna be sleeping inside the trailer. So it shouldn't be a problem. So the exhaust dumps out through the side here. And it's fairly solid. I took the trailer on a trip with the buggy loaded inside it. It was a 4-hour drive one way and then 4-hour drive back. I didn't have the camper on the front of the truck. It tows really nice on the highway. With the weight distributing hitch, I didn't feel any jerking motion for the truck when the big trucks were passing me by. There was a little bit of a headwind on the highway that I could feel, but I'm gonna be honest. Basically, I was a little bit disappointed with the fuel economy of the truck. I used to get about 22 liters per 100 kilometer, or about 12 miles to the gallon, with a flatbed trailer and the buggy loaded, and I was getting approximately 27 liters per 100 kilometer, or about 8.5 to 9 miles to the gallon. This is with a Ford diesel 6.7. The reason for that, try to think about it. I don't think it's weight. I think it's mostly the frontal area of the trailer. It doesn't have any curvatures on it, but regardless, I wasn't sure. I wasn't expecting that much drop in fuel mileage. But I'm looking forward to the next couple of weeks. I'm going to be loading the camper on the front of the truck, and the camper has a slanted frontal area. This is going to deflect a lot of the wind, and this is what I'm going to be doing almost 90% of the time when I'm going to be going off-roading, is with the trailer and the camper on the front of the truck. So I'm looking forward to seeing what's going to happen. But anyways, that was a little bit of a disappointment. There's not a whole lot I can do, I guess. But I'm going to have to live with it. Or maybe it's just a fluke for this first one trip, and things are going to get better later on. But anyways, we'll see how it goes, and I'll give you an update after I go with my full trip off-roading with the trailer, buggy, and the camper.